Good morning, class third. Class, this is English literature, and we have started chapter 17, The Land of Fib. Class, it's a story written by Ronak Chawla, and yesterday we understood the half part of this story. This story is about a planet where all people likes or wanted to tell a lie always, okay, in every work, in every moment, okay. One day an astronaut came to this planet, okay, and which is very special for all these people, and he made a special guest for them. So last we understood that once a weatherman telling some lie about a weather, but this astronaut John told them about the reality that yes, it will rain today. Okay, so every people of this planet believe in this astronaut John. So after then, what happened? As John was leaving the newsroom, he met the president again. He was wearing only 2 watches and 2 hats. You are looking much better today, Mr. President, he said. So, what happened next? When John was leaving the newsroom, okay, when he was coming out from the newsroom, he met the president again. Clear? Then, at this time, the president of this planet was looking a little better than before. At this time, he was wearing only 2 watches and 2 hats at the place of 4 or 5. And then John said that you are looking much better today. Okay, what he said that you are looking much better today. जब जॉन जो थे वो न्यूज़ रूम से बाहर निकल रहे थे तो वो प्रेसिडेंट से, जो प्रेसिडेंट है यहाँ के इस प्लैनेट के, तो उससे वो दोबारा फिर मिले. और इस टाइम जो प्रेसिडेंट हैं वो क्या बस 2 वॉचेस और 2 हैट्स पहने हुए, जहाँ वो 4-5 पहनने थे तो इस टाइम वो केवल 2 पहने हुए हैं. और इस टाइम जो जॉन है उन्होंने प्रेसिडेंट से क्या कहा कि आप पहले से ज़्यादा अच्छे लग रहे हैं. ठीक ना, पहले के मुकाबले आप थोड़े बेटर लग रहे हैं. आफ्टर देन द प्रेसिडेंट वॉज वेरी हैप्पी टू बी प्रेस्ड, ओके, बाई admired by John. He decided to work a little more to look even better. Okay, so here the president of planet Fib was feeling happy by admired by John. So he decided that he do something to look much better. Okay, अब जो इन्होंने बड़ाई की किसने, जॉन ने, कि हाँ आप पहले से अच्छे लग रहे हो, तो प्रेसिडेंट क्या हुआ, खुश हो गए और क्या डिसाइड किया कि हम और अच्छा कुछ करेंगे जिससे ये जो जॉन है ये खुश हो जाए. क्लियर, उसको इम्प्रेस करने के लिए. अ फ्यू डेज लेटर अ लिटिल बॉय कॉल्ड जॉग skinned his knee. Skin means bruised or took wound. Okay, चोट लग जाना, get hurt. He was in great pain and was crying, but the doctor said to feel better you have to run to school every day. So what happened here? After some days, after few days, what happened? A little boy whose name was Jog, okay, who got hurt in his knee, okay, get wound in his knee. And then when he went to the doctor to sew his wound, the doctor said that there is no need to worry, okay, if you want to cure soon you have to run, okay, run to school every day. okay, जब एक दिन क्या हुआ, एक छोटा बच्चा था जिसका नाम क्या था, जॉग. ठीक, उसको चोट लग गई उसके नी में, नी में घुटनों में उसको चोट लग गई. ठीक, अब वो दर्द में था, प्रॉब्लम में था, उसको चोट लग रही थी. हम लोग को होती है ना, चोट लग जाती, दर्द होता कि नहीं होता है. तो ठीक, उसको दर्द हो रहा था, प्रॉब्लम में था, रो रहा था. तो वो जब डॉक्टर के पास गया तो डॉक्टर ने क्या कहा उससे, क्योंकि ये तो लैंड ऑफ लॉयर्स है, ठीक ना. तो डॉक्टर ने क्या बोला कि अगर तुमको अच्छा फील करना, ये चोट जल्दी से ठीक करना है तो क्या करो, तुम स्कूल जो है दौड़ते दौड़ते जाओ. यू हैव टू रन टू स्कूल एवरी डे. रोज तुम जो है स्कूल दौड़ते दौड़ते जाओ तो तुम्हारा जो चोट है जल्दी ठीक हो जाएगा. Astronaut John was passing by and he cried, "What nonsense!" At that moment, astronaut John was passing at that way. Okay? And he listened all these things and then he said loudly that what nonsense, what are you saying? Okay? उसी टाइम क्या हुआ, जो एस्ट्रोनॉट जॉन थे वो वहीं से गुजर रहे थे, उन्होंने वो सुना डॉक्टर की बातों को. उसके बाद उसने क्या बोला, बातें क्या. नेक्स्ट इज he took a piece of cloth and tied it very tightly around Jock's leg. There he said, "Now the wound will close and heal easily." So here what happened? This astronaut John, what he did? He took a piece of cloth and tied it very tightly around Jock's leg. You can see in this picture. And then he said that your wound will be heal very soon. Okay? तो क्या हुआ, जो एस्ट्रोनॉट जॉन थे उन्होंने क्या किया, पहले तो डॉक्टर को डांटा, उसके बाद क्या किया, एक कपड़े का एक टुकड़ा लिया, जैसे पट्टी बांधते हैं ना चोट लग जाने पे, तो उन्होंने क्या किया, उस पट्टी से उसके चोट को बांध दिया, ठीक, कवर कर दिया. और फिर क्या कहा जॉक से कि जो तुम्हारा चोट है वो जल्द ही ठीक हो जाएगा. नेक्स्ट इज द डॉक्टर वॉज नॉट हैप्पी. ही डिड नॉट लाइक इंटरप्शंस आइदर. ओके, अगेन द डॉक्टर डिडंट लाइक द इंटरप्शन बाय जॉन, बट बिकॉज जॉन वॉज अ गेस्ट द डॉक्टर हैड टू लेट हिम डू सो ही प्लीज्ड. ओके, अब यहाँ पे क्या हुआ, जब इन्होंने जॉन ने इसको फिर मतलब अपना इंटरप्शन किया तो डॉक्टर को वो चीज़ पसंद नहीं आया. लेकिन जॉन यहाँ पे गेस्ट हैं, उनको सबको उन्हें खुश करने में लगना था, तो इसीलिए उसने कुछ नहीं बोला. किसने, डॉक्टर ने. नेक्स्ट थिंग इज ऑल दिस टाइम जॉन वॉज रिपेयरिंग हिज शिप. ही इवन हेल्प्ड द वेदरमैन विथ हिज वर्क एंड द प्रेसिडेंट विथ हिज अपीयरेंस. ओके, ऑल दिस टाइम, एट दिस टाइम जॉन वॉज रिपेयरिंग हिज शिप. ओके, जॉन की जो शिप थी वो खराब हो गई थी ना, तो उसको रिपेयर कर रहे थे. एंड ऑल्सो हेल्प द वेदरमैन विथ हिज वर्क. ओके, अपनी शिप भी रिपेयर कर रहे थे और क्या कर रहे थे, जो वेदरमैन था, ठीक है, वेदर रिपोर्टर, उसको भी हेल्प कर रहे थे ताकि उसका काम जो है अच्छे से हो, जो वो झूठ बोलने की हैबिट हो गई है, ठीक, वो उसकी ख़त्म हो जाए. एंड ऑल्सो हेल्प and the president with his appearance, and also help president for getting better in his appearance, in his look. Okay, और क्या कर रहे थे, जो प्रेसिडेंट का जो अपीयरेंस था ना, लुकिंग था जो स्टार्टअप में, उसको भी अच्छा करने में हेल्प कर रहे थे. तो एक साथ कई काम कर रहे थे जॉन, एस्ट्रोनॉट जॉन. He did it by simply speaking the truth. And what is the measurement of doing all this? Speaking truth. उनका जो ये सारे काम कर रहे थे, चाहे डॉक्टर को सुधारना हुआ, या वेदरमैन को सुधारना हुआ, प्रेसिडेंट को सही करना हुआ, तो ये सब उनका किसकी हेल्प से कर रहे थे, स्पीकिंग द ट्रूथ, सच की वजह से. द पीपल ऑफ फिब वर वेरी हैप्पी. ओके, द पीपल ऑफ फिब वर वेरी हैप्पी बाय जॉन and his activities. Their lives were getting better, and they understood that it was because John spoke the truth. Okay, the people of Fib was feeling very happy. Their life getting better than before, and they understood the importance of truth. So they decided to speak the truth as well. So the people of Fib decided that they always speak the truth. Clear? Next thing is John repaired his ship in a few months. After some days, after a few months, his ship was repaired. Okay, जो कुछ दिन बाद क्या हुआ, जिसकी ship थी वो सही हो गई. All the people of Fib came to bid him goodbye. Okay, when his ship was repaired and he was ready to go out from there, all the people of Fib came there to say him goodbye. Okay, जब वो जाने के लिए रेडी था तो जो सारे लोग थे फिब के वो उसको गुड बाय कहने के लिए आए. There was the president who was wearing only one hat and a single watch. Okay, at this time, at uh, at this time, the president of Feb was wearing only one hat and a single watch. इस टाइम जब वो जाने वाला है जॉन, तो इस टाइम जो प्रेसिडेंट है वो क्या है, बस वन हैट और वन वॉच पहने हैं, बजाय जो स्टार्टिंग में 4-5 पहनते थे, अब बस वन पहनते हैं. With the weatherman who never lied about the weather now. Okay, and also the weatherman who promised and also left his habit of telling lie. Okay, he at this time he said truth about the weather. ठीक, और क्या हुआ, जो वेदरमैन था, जो कि हमेशा झूठ बोलता था वेदर के बारे में, तो वो भी उसकी हैबिट वो छूट गई, वो भी अब सच बोलता है वेदर के लिए. Jog was there too. Jog, this little boy, was also present there. His leg had healed. Okay, recovered. जिसको चोट लग गई थी ना जॉग को, तो इस टाइम क्या है, जो जॉग है उसका जो चोट है वो सही हो गया, उसके पैर ठीक हो गए हैं. John waved goodbye to all of them happily and his ship left for Earth. Now after all this, John said goodbye to all of them. Okay, to all the people of Fib very happily and then left for Earth. His ship left for Earth. Okay, इसके बाद क्या होता है, जॉन सबको गुड बाय कहते हैं और जो उनकी शिप है अर्थ के लिए रेडी हो जाती है, अर्थ पे जाने के लिए. So class here, this story, the planet of Fib, the land of Fib, totally completed. Hope you all understood very well and also enjoyed the chapter. Okay, and also understood the importance of truth. It can change every life. Okay, life of every person. Clear? So class, the story is completed. So now come to the book exercise of this chapter. So the first question is, number the sentences in the order of the events in the story. Class, here in this question there are some sentences. Okay, events of the story. You have to write in proper order. ओके, यहाँ क्या कुछ सेंटेंसेस हैं जो स्टोरी में जो इंसिडेंट हुए हैं ना, उसके अकॉर्डिंग हमको ऑर्डर में सेट करना है कि कौन सी लाइन पहले हुई, कौन सी चीज़ पहले हुई, कौन उसके बाद हुई है, ठीक ना, तो उसको नंबरिंग में करना है. सो द फर्स्ट इंसिडेंट इज, यस, दिस 4 नंबर, एस्ट्रोनॉट जॉन्स स्पेसशिप क्रैश्ड on the planet of Fib. This is the first accident. Second is 6th number, astronaut John met the president of Fib. This is the second incident. Third is astronaut John said that it would rain. This is the third incident. Next, fourth is many citizens of Fib carried their umbrellas to work. This is the fourth incident. Next is a few days later Jock skinned his knee. This is the fifth incident. And last one is the spaceship was repaired after a few months. This is the sixth incident. Okay, so this question is completed in which you arrange the sentences in proper order according to the events of the story. Next question is, yes, here question number A, match the people with the work that they do. Class, here there are some person's name. Okay, you have to match with their job. Okay, or their work. यहाँ पे कुछ पर्सन के नेम हैं, ठीक, अब वो लोग क्या काम करते हैं हमें उससे मैच करना है. सो द फर्स्ट वन इज डॉक्टर. सो डॉक्टर ट्रीट्स पीपल्स इलनेस. सो विल मैच नंबर फर्स्ट विथ नंबर सी. नेक्स्ट इज प्रेसिडेंट, द हेड ऑफ अ कंट्री और एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. सो विल मैच नंबर सेकेंड विथ नंबर ए. Third is astronaut, travels and works in a spacecraft. So we'll match number third with number D. Next is weatherman, talks about the weather on TV or radio. So we'll match number fourth with number E. Next is reporter, collects and reports news for a newspaper or TV. So we'll match number fifth with number B. So this question is done. Next question number B. Rewrite the sentences by replacing the underlined words with the words from the box. You may have to add a word in some sentences. Class, here in this question there are some underlined words. Okay, you have to replace them by using these options. Okay, यहाँ क्या करना है, इन सेंटेंसेस में जो अंडरलाइंड वर्ड हैं उसके जगह पे इन सारे ऑप्शन में से जो सुटेबल हो वो हमें अरेंज करना, सेट करना है. ओके, सो द फर्स्ट इज द क्लाइमेट ऑफ द सिटी चेंजेस ऑल द टाइम. So here the underlined word is climate. So it will change with weather. Okay. Number first will change with weather. The weather of the city changes all the time. Next is the man looked quite strange in his green colored shoes and orange coat. So here the underlined word is strange. So it will change with odd. The man looked quite odd in his green colored shoes and orange coat. Next is we can better our lives by speaking the truth. So here underlined word is better. So it can change with improve. We can improve our lives by speaking the truth. Next is what he is saying is completely senseless. So underlined word is completely senseless and it can change with nonsense. What he is saying is nonsense. Next thing is do you have one more pencil. Underline word is one more. So it can change with extra. Do you have extra pencil? So class, this question is completed. Next thing is past continuous tense. Past continuous tense means any verb which was continue in the past. कोई भी ऐसा काम जो कि past में continue था, ठीक ना, हो रहा था. मैं स्कूल जा रहा था. Okay, I was going to school. He was playing in the garden. So कोई भी ऐसा काम जो कि हो रहा था. Clear? So in this question you have to underline the verbs which is in past continuous tense. We use was or were plus ing for past continuous tense. Okay, so the first sentence is I saw Ronnie in the morning. He was running to catch the school bus. So in this sentence was running is the past continuous tense part. Okay, so underline them. Was running. Next thing is, next sentence is Prerna was having dinner when the doorbell rang. So in this sentence was having are the past continuous tense. So underline them. Next is everyone was dancing at the party. So was dancing at the past continuous tense form. So underline them. Next is did you see Tina yesterday? She was wearing a red dress. So in this sentence was wearing at the past continuous tense form. So underline them. Next, Tom was sleeping in his parents' room. So was sleeping at the past continuous tense. So underline them. Next is Sheila was playing with her sister today. So was playing at the past continuous tense. So underline them. Okay. So class here question number A completed, which is based on past continuous tense. Okay, in which we use was verb plus verb ing. Next thing is comma. The comma. You know that we use the comma to separate the three or more words in a list and to organize ideas in a sentence. Before the last word in the list, we add and instead of the comma. Okay, class, where do we use comma? When we want to separate the words. Okay, separate three or more words in a list. And we use and. Okay, we use and before the last word of a sentence. Okay, in the list before the last word of the options. ठीक, जब किसी लिस्ट में कई सारे ऑप्शन होते हैं ना, 3 नेम्स हो या 3 से ज़्यादा हो, तो हम कॉमा का यूज़ करते हैं. ठीक, एक ही लिस्ट में एक ही से मिलते जुलते कई सारे नाम हो. ओके, तो हम क्या यूज़ करते हैं? कॉमा यूज़ करते हैं. और उस लिस्ट में जो लास्ट ऑप्शन है, ठीक, जो लास्ट वर्ड है, उससे तुरंत पहले हम एंड का यूज़ करते हैं. क्लियर? सो in this question, place commas and add and where needed in these sentences. In this question, you have to use comma and. Okay? So the first sentence is Diya, Sonal, Priya, Sonu are playing in the park. So class, in this sentence you will use a comma after Diya, after Sonal, and then use and between Priya and Sonu. Next is, at the fair I had a ride on the giant wheel, the toy train, the bumper car. So here in this sentence you will use a comma after fair, then after wheel, and then use and between train and the toy train and the bumper car. Next is, my uncle will visit China, Japan and Malaysia next month. So here in this sentence you will use a comma after China. Next is, I had a bowl of cornflakes, an egg and half an apple for breakfast. So here in this sentence you will use a comma after cornflakes. Okay. Next is fifth number, I'm playing video games, my sister is studying, my cousin is reading a book. So here in this sentence you will use a comma after games and use and between studying and my. I am playing a video games, my sister is studying and my cousin is reading a book. Next is, I want to have a sandwich. Parvati wants to have idlis, but Parul wants to eat chapatis. So here in this sentence you will use a comma after sandwich. I want to have a sandwich, comma. Parvati wants to have idlis, but Parul wants to eat chapatis. So class, here chapter 17, the land of fib, story is totally completed and also the book exercises are totally completed. Hope you all understood very well and also enjoyed the story. So class, it's enough for the day. Thank you.